With the $999 starting price, the Galaxy Z Flip 3 is an affordable foldable smartphone. A 120Hz refresh rate, IPX8 water resistance. Also, it comes with a Gorilla Glass Victus protection. If you have decided to get this stunning flip phone, you must be wondering which color to choose from, as it comes in variety of colors: cream, phantom black, green, and lavender. Now let's see all the colors in detail and find out which one is best for you. So let's start the video, but before I start, kindly subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon so you'll get notified every time I post a new video. Starting with the cream color, this looks like a fresh subtle cream color with a black cover screen to check your notifications. The phone feels light in hand and also it's quite slim. And when you fold, the smartphone is extremely compact, which is its main highlight. Talking about the green color, it looks actually more like bluish green and is quite impressive color choice by Samsung. The shiny glass back is a strong Gorilla Glass Victus, which makes it quite durable. Phantom black is the only color which comes with matte finish, and that's why it's my favorite color. It does feel premium and more grippy because of its matte finish. The smartphone is also water resistant, which does add value to its overall usage. It also has a 120Hz display and everything feels smooth and fast. Lavender color looks quite fresh and impressive. It's a subtle lavender or purple color which looks stunning. And again, a great color choice by Samsung. On the front, it has a dynamic AMOLED 2X screen, and Samsung surely knows how to make best displays. Despite of its beautiful design, you still feel the partition on the front screen. It's running Android 11 with One UI 3.1.1 right out of the box. Let me know in the comments below which color impresses you the most. As for me, I would pick the Phantom Black because of its matte premium finish. So that's it for this video, guys. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you like this video, kindly hit the thumbs up and subscribe if you haven't. See you soon in my next video. Till then, goodbye, peace and blessings.